I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
I brought my tape measure, like the cargo space. It sounds like everything is good. I need a new hose. Like the hose. Do y'all usually do like the oil changes and everything, or yourselves, or they just, whoever gets them just gotta do all that themselves, like the maintenance? So let's take a look. Look at the oil. Damn, that's a long, long ass dipstick. Let me see. It really doesn't look too bad, but I hate doing this. I like to wipe them off. Sheesh. Oil doesn't look too bad in there. A little paint peel ain't too bad. Let's see. Just need a little door handle right there. Just the mirror back on. That's out. Let me hit the gas on the once. Yeah, just need a little tune up. And got the back seat. I just need a little cover down here. This is the extended version. Take a look at the tires. They got zero turn and all that. Oh, they got a bike. Let me see how far these doors extend. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. These doors go out far. Okay. Plenty of cargo space. Okay. Got a little tap sound. A little step up. Let's see. That's what the little door. Might have been hit right here. This light will need to be adjusted. It does have a tow hitch. That's cool. Got the cable hookup right there. The bumper is off a little bit low right here. That'll need to be adjusted. It's running a little rich, a little white smoke. Man, it's a little bang right there. Ain't too bad. Is this door open, you know? It might be locked. Let me see. Let me see. Hold on. Let me see. Busted, baby. Alright. Definitely got a lot of cargo space. That might need to be fixed. Okay. Okay. that. I'm gonna have to stop myself right there. This van was all bad. This is just me assessing it. I don't think the guy appreciated that I was looking over the van. I think he wanted me to buy without looking over it. Just throw him the money first. And not the initial guy that showed me the van, but the guy that came out after, because he walked the guy away from me. But I continued to look over the van, assess it, because it was content. So, you know, me saying it was okay as far as work, if, you know, all the things were fixed, but it was pretty beat up. And as I looked over it more, I noticed a lot. So, yes, back to the video. Looking in there. $225,748 miles. Not bad. Oh, let me see. It's got a lot of little things to it, but. Thank you for showing me. I got the tow hitch on it too. XLT 3,500 cash. I didn't get that. I got the 250 right here. Yeah, that was the van that I was looking at, you guys, but I don't know. F250 ain't too bad. This might not be for sale. What about this one? Okay, this is what I can tell now. This is $15,995 on that one. That's cool. Then they got the 3,500 cash. Just gotta have towing. Like towing. This one's $7,995. Not bad. Ran 1,500. Like that ain't my style right there. Look at that motorcycle. And then that's the van. So they got a GMC. So right here, $34.99. So it's 3,400 cash. It's like, it's the old school right here. This one does have tone. Got a dent in it, but it's getting eaten up by some rust right here. This one, of course, got towing. Gotta have a towing. Check out this motorcycle. This is neat. Old school right here. 2,000 cash for the Yamaha. 1,000. Let me see. Oh, he says 13,494 on there. Okay. Got the side bags. Dang. That's cool. $2,000 cash for this old bike. Would y'all pay that much? $2,000 for it? With over 13,000 miles? Leave a comment below and let me know what you would pay for this. Or would you just pay the $2,000 for it? Let me know in the comments below. And they got a Buick. Oh, they got some trucks right here too. My uncle used to have this one. They got a 4x4. Got a tow hitch on that. This is a 250 Super Duty. The one dude, I don't know why he came out. Unfriendly mother. Excuse my mouth, y'all. Unfriendly mother beep. $3,499 cash on this one. The F-250 Super Duty. This one has been here for a while too, so I don't know, you guys. What do y'all think about the van? Leave a comment below. It is pretty beat on, so just got a little dent right there on the side, so on the top, like they ran into something. So dude in the blue shirt, if y'all see him in the video, yeah, he didn't even speak. Unfriendly ass. Thought it was cool, but I don't know. It seems like they saw like nobody being there. Why they got that part then instead of being in that building right there? Got a Impala right there. Seemed like a asshole. Like, why you come out and you're not gonna speak? Like, he didn't need your help to come out here to show me the freaking van. Like, dude, who is you? It's like he can't show me the van by himself. I don't know. It seems like they got a lot of buckets out here. Alright, you guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. Alright, leave a comment below. Let me know what y'all thought about the van. It sounded like it was running a little rough. A lot of white smoke coming out the... What the heck is... A lot of smoke coming out the exhaust. So, I don't know. Might have to pass on that one. I don't know. It's like a lot of stuff that needs to be fixed on it. The door panel and all of that stuff seemed pretty beat up and everything. So I don't know about that. It was like, and you could tell it, you know, somebody ran into it. I mean, I know I need it for just work, but you know, I don't need it to break down on me. Because I got some good stuff coming to my channel for you guys soon, so do stay tuned. But I don't know if that is gonna do the trick of what I, you know, need to tow. That thing, I don't know. It seems like the bumper might fall off and I try to tow with it. Who knows? Like, alright, you guys, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all on the next video. Peace. Love and hair grease.